All right, y'all, time for dinner. I promised we were going to do things differently today. So let's visit a restaurant hailed as one of the best in the city, with food hailing all the way from South Africa. Welcome to Astor's Table, the vision of Chef Casey Castro to bring the foods of his native country to Texas.
Oh,
Okay,
I can smell this, Chef Casey.
Oh, wow.
I smelled it before it hit the table. What do we have here?
Right here you have the South Africa sampler.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah, that's babuti. It's very traditional. Over here you have Boulevard sausage. There's no sausage better than that in the whole world. Over here you have the chakalaka. It's a little bit spicy. I'm a wimpy, so
Okay.
I don't touch that. But one of the things that I see is that I love your takes a cowboy hat that you got.
Thank you, thank you.
So I'm gonna have to measure you. So I got mine. No, hold on, I'm bold, but you know.
As you can see, South African hospitality even rivals Texas. And the flavors here are taking my taste buds on a tour.
Now, let that flavor hit you.
God, what am I? Then there's some heat coming in.
Yes.
Ooh. I mean, the depth of spices.
Exactly, and that's one of the things that we do.
And world's best sausage.
It is totally different.
There's a lot of different kinds of sausage in
Right.
Texas. That's like none of them. That's its own category.
That's another level.
South African cuisine not only carries the flavors of the indigenous people, but also centuries of influence from places like India and Europe. And Chef Casey's journey to Katy is even more unexpected than the flavor.
Originally, I came here to go to law school 23 years ago. For real. I got here in Atlanta. The people who were supposed to sponsor me never showed up at the airport.
No kidding.
I called back home. I was like, do you guys know anybody in America? So my auntie was like, I know somebody that used to live here 10 years ago. Guess where they live?
You don't tell me.
Texas.
Yeah? Yeah.
So I called them and I'm like, hey, y'all, how y'all doing?
Now, were you a cook? A chef at this point at all?
No, none.
None. Okay.
Zero. I didn't even know I could cook.
Casey and his wife opened a small Argentine coffee shop and bakery that grew little by little into this.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a land of opportunity.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
you come here, you be humble to your community and give back and work hard. That's the American dream.
Wow.
There's nothing better than that. And there's no place in the world where you come in with $75 and you get to become what you are today. So,
Amen.
yeah,
Amen,
thanks,
brother.
thank you.
All right, the only thing I hadn't tried is that right there.
Are you ready for that one?
I mean, is it gonna ruin my night?
Well, it is spicy, though.
Chakalaka. I know the flavor of crazy spicy peppers, and it just means it's a matter of time before my tongue sets on fire. That is hot. I gotta give you props because there's a ton of flavor packed in that. It's
Correct.
not just heat. Woo! I'm awake. Anybody else?
One of Astor's specialties is exotic meat, and Casey's got something special for us.
How do you like your oysters?
Usually walking around in a field, South Africans, this is a typical meat to eat.
Yeah, oysters.
Okay.
Yeah. I also got something for you. We're gonna do some hop, hop, hop.
No, you don't mean kangaroo.
Yes, I do. We love exotic.
Why not? Yeah.
We love to hunt. So I have like kangaroo, ostrich, camel, alligator, elk, antelope.
Meat, fire, flavor.
Remember what I said about South African hospitality?
One Daytripper versus the entire animal kingdom. Kangaroo, ostrich, lamb chops, beef short rib, Boerewors sausage. Oxtail? More? Oh my gosh. Okay. I mean,
The one that's kind of hanging right here.
Yeah, the sword of meat. Eat it like a true kebab. Tender, very flavorful, kind of bouncy. You're not gonna bouncing around in my mouth here, but that is delicious. I'm gonna fight the urge to just eat an entire kangaroo, and I'm gonna come over here, and I'm gonna eat an ostrich. Now that tastes just like beef. That's amazing too. Kind of a giant flightless cow. It's delicious. Beef. Stuff like this that makes Houston probably the best food city in all of Texas. All the cultures of the world existing in one location. And oh man, they taste good. They taste really, really good.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.